mantombazana ukhohlakele ukhohlakele I wonder ke le list yophelaphi nishimile nikhohlakele
like amantombazana akhohlakele like just date each other
hayi le ngikho-side le mina eyami inhliziyo-ke sokhohlakala sonke
what's homophobia?
Angina-homophobia
It's homophobia.
angikufuni ngoba angikufuni ndoda yeah funny pickup lines we back thanks for the support like subscribe suggest comment tell a friend naloma makho ophuzayo naye umtshele umfakele idatha sibuke mina itawa ngizonixhasa mina njengomuntu no siyazifuna itawa just like you're annihilating like 99% of the population come on kuyafana man but yeah anyway let's see if these pickup lines actually work.
Hey, excuse me. Wow, do you believe in love at first sight, or should I like walk by again?
Excuse me, ladies, you dropped something. My heart.
I just want to take a picture. Oh no, of us.
Whose child is this?
Oh, us.
This is someone's child.
Because I want to show Santa what I want for Christmas. Yeah, what's your name?
Sensational. The feature is the best.
Hey guys, it's your boy Lebogang Leisa back at it again. Talk to, but not to, baby. You guys.
What does it say?
Oba.
One monkey don't stop the show.
Yeah.
Oh, you happy? Okay. One monkey don't stop the show.
Go back.
Oh, this is you, Jay.
Yeah.
Show these people. It's you. Hello? Hi. Can I ask, on campus, what do you do, besides being sexy? Hey? Yeah. What do you do besides being sexy? Because you don't know. You study only. All right, look, I'm like sexy for a living. So since you're sexy for a living too, let's just make it work out, Yeah, look, what are your numbers?
Sorry to disturb you, drop something. My heart. Wait, can I talk to you? How are you doing? I'm good. So what would you rate that pickup line from a scale from 1 to 10?
Whoa.
Did he ask her to
rate the pickup line?
her to rate it? That's weird.
But anyway. The line kind of works because it's weak.
And why is the friend sticking around?
Exactly. Ufuna a spectator. Oh.
A 6. Reason?
Sorry?
Reason why you gave me a 6.
Usungenile la shiqi kodwa ngoba ubhoza amakhala vela.
The too cheesy.
Yeah.
It was too cheesy. Well, I'm a TikToker. Yeah. But you're good.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I get your numbers? I'm Kim, by the way.
My surname also.
Yeah. But soon it will be changing to my surname. Thank you so much.
Hey.
You could have just left it.
Oh, you know what I just realized? Hey, amantombazana ashibile res. Hayi. Bane sizungu. Ayikho njeyana nto. Amantombazana ashibile. Shibile.
Excuse me, guys. I just wanted to ask a random question. Do you like raisins? So how do you feel about a date?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, what's your name?
Raisins, date. I'm trying to make it make sense. Raisins.
Is there a brand
Date.
of raisins that's
Maybe or something.
Date?
Some peanuts or something else. I don't know. Kodwa na usungasile ama-raisins adayiswa kodwa wenzani? Kodwa ama-raisins ngama-peanuts.
date?
Let's give me Google it. Raisins
And dates.
Nkosi yami. That's borrow la ama-pickup line enangasebenzi. Fanele manje size siwagugule nkosi yami.
Raisins and dates.
No man. What am I doing? Raisins. Dates look like giant raisins. Also, I think it's a type of fruit that's similar to. Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay.
Who has time to know that? But okay, fade, eh?
Lati.
Yeah.
I'm Lebza. Nice meeting you, you know. Wow, you come from the gym.
No, I'm going now.
Oh, you're going now? Okay, since you're going now, look, I don't want to waste your time.
They deserve a high five.
They know their role.
I can't stress this fact. You need friends that know their place. Ungabi nomngana kokunabekayo nkosi yami. Ey, nkosi yami. Ngeke yazi nophisa ukuganza.
It's kind of like looking in the mirror.
In.
Nothing.
Khona bafuna le show iphele.
You know, a date which you would really do.
Oh,
You know, yeah.
boyfriend.
I got my eyes on you, everything that I see. Oh, you're not even wasting time, you're not even us 06195. Like, are you having a gloomy day or something? Because I see your energy's down, you know? You know, because maybe if you're down, you know, you can get some vitamin me. Yeah. Okay, what's the name?
Like, shut up.
Ma?
Siba Baru.
Oh, Siba. Please just type it out for me, you know? It's a very...
Pick up line work, wathola lonto inombolo. Ukhuluma udodi noma usuyitholile inombolo, uhlula ispelling manje. Kwenzekani manje?
unique name.
Yeah, shout out to the ground stuff. So
Hey,
it's
bruh. Hey,
small
bruh.
ground
Yo,
stuff.
UJ, like, it's always the best university in SA.
So you just finished with class, you know?
I'm actually going to catch up with my school.
Ah, wow, you a focused girl too, you know? So you're not just sexy, but you focus too. Alright, well, nice meeting you, you know? I'm Lebza. You will definitely...
Why reach in for a church hug? It's like,
With your hand in your pocket.
fuck.
With your hand in your pocket.
I got abafana nkosi yami. Yeah.
Ah.
Catch up, man.
Hey Simmers, looking for a cool back tattoo? Get custom content on CurseForge.
We're in the middle of a storm.
Prime Video. License this. Hey.
Excuse me, ladies, you dropped some.
Or I can just offer one of us a job and we'll just leave this reaction channel.
What's the incentive? Uqashwa nge-exclusive deal maqeda bakutshela ukuthi the company is going under bakuretrench.
Hey man, I just want a quick buck. Fuck reason.
Yeah, Oxford Road. Yes, I need to say yes, great back dollar. Baby oil
Something. My heart. Okay.
Lebza, you will definitely catch up, man.
Excuse me, ladies, you dropped something. My heart. Okay, wait, ladies, wait. What would you rate that pickup line from a scale from 1 to 10?
I'd give you a 7.
A 7? A 7?
Yeah, 7. 7. Made me laugh. But it was funny, yeah, 7. Yeah.
7? 8? See, we're on the same page. Thank you, ladies.
Oh, hey, excuse me. Wow, do you believe in love at first sight, or should I, walk by again?
No, I don't.
You know, okay, look, now I stopped you because I thought you were beautiful and I saw you on your phone. So can I distract you quickly?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Hi, Tando.
Tando, look, Tando, I think you're cute. Can I get your numbers?
Hello, ladies, how are you? I'm good. Can I talk to you on the side, if it's cool? Thank you. Now, I just came over to tell you that, do you know what's one thing that would look good on you?
Suspect pick up line avumile. What's the point?
Just said how you feel and get the number. Leave.
Iqedile le nto nkosi yami.
Like, dude, you know what's the awkward thing about pickup line? That shit, you need to set it up.
Exactly.
That shit needs to be set up. Like, no, and don't approach multiple girls and ask one of the girls to step away.
I didn't. Sounded like a serial killer. What the fuck is this?
Me right next to you.
As my friend said, vele abantu res.
Nishimile. Buka nje uvelo asaseka nje. Shimile amantombazane res.
Next thing you know, usetext umngane wakho. Chomi yisafe ungahamba.
Ungahamba. Ukutexta ngo-10 ebusuku. Akubuyi.
Yisafe.
Akubuyi. Into akaziyo ubhala ku-status. Kumnandi kwamfana.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Huh? What do you mean there's no such? Okay, rate that pickup line from a scale from 1 to 10. What would you give it?
Le ndaba yama-rate ingenaphi kanti?
Mhlawumbe usebenza kamasipala.
Yazi yaxakeka-ke manje. Rate this, rate. Why? Why do you want them to rate it that much? It's like
No,
I
don't want
the
to.
constant need of validation is insane.
From 1 to 10.
Yeah,
4.
a 4.
Because
Reason?
It's a lie.
It's a lie. Why? Why do you think it's a lie?
It's just a thing,
Shy.
If you don't speak fluent, girl, this goes into you.
I'm a man of my word. I'm a man of my word. You don't trust me. So 4, Vele, 4.
Yeah.
A 4.
How are you? I see you guys are taking photos, you know? Like, are you guys taking photos? Is this like a photo shoot? Because, you know,
Go back to your house.
I won't lie, because, you know, I'm not a photographer, but I picture.
I wish I
I
could go
picture
back.
us together. Fuck! I hope you don't say that. I wish I could go back.
Nah, no, I ain't access. If you know what I mean. Get loud for a second.
Us together. Yeah, what's your name?
Hey! Oh my god!
Yeah. Yeah, but that was a good one, I'll be honest. What's your name?
Oh, that's a
I need
good
you.
one. I'm so confused.
You're talking to whoever
No
laughs.
or no? No pedulayo. But to food a move, hey, oh,
No, he's talking to the one where
Photo shoot. Because, you know, I won't lie, because, you know, I'm not a photographer, but I picture us together. Yeah, what's your name?
Hey! Oh my god!
Yeah. Yeah, but that was a good one, I'll be honest. What's your name? I need your name. Kitumele. Oh, Kitumele. Oh, Itumele. My name's Lebogang.
How did you look into the camera?
I don't know.
Bekazothi khathi yabo kunesho izandla.
Bezothi that's the camera. Bezothi that's the camera.
I'll be honest. What's your name? I need your name. Kitumele. Oh, Kitumele. Oh, Itumele. My name's Lebogang. Nice meeting you, you know. Wow, I like the freckles on your face. It's like so unique. You know, plus, look, the outfits are matching. Black hoodies. Okay, guys, please just come here. I need your help with something. Quickly, guys, please.
Also getting paid.
Yeah. No, because honestly speaking, you know, please just take a photo of us together. Because, you know, I want to show what I want for Christmas, guys. I want to show Santa that. Go my waist, you know, let's do our thing, you know. Yeah.
Come on.
Do we look good together, be honest? Yeah.
What kills these videos? You try so hard to convince. You look good. I mean, like, honestly, like, that wasn't so bad. It's like,
Yeah.
shine into yakho, ufane
Get
ngeyiningi.
in and leave.
Shine into yakho, shine nje into
Get in
yakho.
and leave.
Just use this. Oh, shit. No, but like, I don't waste time. You know, I know what I like and I
Get this
go
thing
for it.
arrested.
Yeah.
Icala
When
neni.
is UJ security when you need them?
Cabanga sebakufanele naphiyana bana holding cell. Kufanele storeroom.
Like those motherfuckers, you know they actually.
So bhajwe lo doti lapha storeroom. Uthi ayisebenzi lento.
But let me take your numbers.
Hey!
You like playing hard to get, né? Just want to take a picture. Oh no, of us, because I want to show Santa what I want for Christmas. Yeah, what's your name?
Indaba yakho uthi ubelieve kusenza. Indaba yakho leyo. Uthi believe
Ukhuluma
kusenza.
ngathi ufunda i-question like ayina flow.
Have you ever believed in Senza?
Hayi baba.
You've never?
Adoctor wabelungu mina.
Okay. Just making sure ukuthi we are the right.
Akusnowi la ngihlala khona so ingane kwana akuzwani nazo. Ucela ukuthi isidudla esinomkhaba yongena ngeshibelo like. That's the most childish thing I've ever heard.
Yes,
Can I just please help me with the picture?
So I must take you over.
Nah, I want to take a picture with her so that I can show Santa what I want for Christmas, you know? Look, what's your name?
Linom.
What?
Linom.
Oh, Linom, you call her?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm...
Ebony!
Fuck y'all.
What the fuck? No, I want to get sponsored by Ebony.
Wow. Yes. No.
Suits, you know, perfect match, you know?
Kosa and suit.
Yeah, perfect. My name is Lebza. Yeah, nice meeting you too, you know? But you pick
Handshake.
She probably saw that mic behind him.
us together. You do. If the friend approves, then bro, you know, it's lit. But look, let me take your numbers quickly, and then yeah, we can just make it work.
Okay.
Yeah. No, my friends are just here quick.
Nishimile. You know, I did a hashtag egoidaisa lapha the campus square. Phezu kweskipper.
Emushate Heights.
Nishimile.
Bantwana asemushate Heights. Nasemagnolia ashime.
Nishimile. Yini le res le neseceleni komgwaqo. Mongena Auckland Park.
Is
Kingsway something, right?
Kingsway
That was the first break.
accommodation or something.
Nyovula istall lapha, nyobeka itafula, shaya
Hala
ikhipha.
bashimanga labo.
Hashtag nishimile. Show me la. Nizwile ke. Bathi ngabasando niyayuzwa.
Nangikhuluma into engiyaziyo.
Niyayuzwa.
Ngikhuluma into eyifuthi.
Chaphazwa abafana ebusuku. Niyayuzwa. Niyayuzwa.
I'm joking.
Quickly, I just typed them down. My channel, it's Lebza. Lebogang Leisa. Oh, you want to see it? I bet. Them down. My channel, it's Lebza. Lebogang Leisa. Oh, you want to see it? I bet.
Umuntu ongena khohla ke nayo into eyenzayo.
Umbuza nge-channel yakhe.
Umbuza nge-channel. Ya wena. Awuboni ngiyasebenza la.
Like, couldn't you wait?
No, ngiyakubona i-wait. Ungiyekile wahamba nalo mngane wakho umfishane. Nahamba nale. Manje mase ngikhuluma nabanye.
But you see me yell cut.
Mantombazana ukhohlakele. Ukhohlakele.
I
I wonder ke le list yophela nishimile ngikhohlakele.
like amantombazana akhohlakele like just date each other.
Hayi le ngikhozayo. Angikhozayo le. Mina eyami inhliziyo ke sokhohlakala
What's
sonke.
with the homophobia?
Angina homophobia.
It's homophobia.
Angikufundi ngoba ngikufundi. Angikufundi ndoda.
Homophobia.
Ngoba ngikufundi. I won't be shamed into a relationship never. Ngeke ukubone lokho.
It's homophobia.
Ngoba ngikufundi.
Preference is wrong. They actually say that even if you're the kind of guy who doesn't like white women.
Ngoba ngikufundi.
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck does this have to do with white women? Umuntu ufuna ngimqobe ngenkani.
No,
This
preference
is like
is
prison rape level type of shit. Yile.
what is it?
Prejudice.
Prejudice, yes.
Yeah.
Preference is prejudice.
Anandabona nomasimba mina ngithi ngikufundi nabangani bakho anginifundi. Amatekadukayo. Ha.
Should I write my name?
Yeah, just write your name, you know? I don't know what those girls wanted, but hey, they want something like
They wanted
glowing the skin and the sun. Oh, pretty, nah?
Okay, without the words, appearance. Yeah.
What's up, Kim?
Huh? Next. I'm just approaching. So appearance, rate.
Oh, fuck.
Hey,
Read my
Bambi.
line. Read my...
Hama la, hey, Bambi la.
Modi.
Hey, kunzima. Hey, umshawe sinqi Nkosi yami. Buka isandla sikuphi?
Ngiyasibona isandla, buka indlela abahleli ngayo.
Hey, Nkosi yami.
Ingane zamanje.
Yeah.
What's up, Kim?
Huh? Next. I'm just approaching. So appearance, rating. Nah, just rate. The first number that comes straight into your mind.
Out of what?
10.
I can
A 7. Okay,
This girl likes you. Ukuthi ubuza amasimba nje.
cool. I'm down with that. Okay, thank you. It was a YouTube prank. Thank you. You must subscribe to the channel, nah. You must subscribe to the channel, Lebogang Leisa.
Azokukhokhela malini uLebs azokuxhaphaza ngayo. Cabanga usuzowaziwa kanje. Nayi le engicela ukuthi ngimrate.
Khona le bara akayitshela ukuthi hambe yo approach amantombazane.
Oh no, homework I wanna do.
Wayinika
I wanna do
ama-line.
every day. Where?
But she doesn't want to talk to you. Do you want to talk to him? No. And leave.
You had a feeling, nah?
I knew it.
Uzalo baba.
Yeah, namanyana.
Yini lento yenzayo? Usiyamgibela manje.
Why would you keep it? Guys,
Wena mfana ushaye woman on top.
what's that analogy about i-price stand nenyama?
Yeah, lo muntu ubeke i-price stand phezu kwenyama. Oh, ayibona blend.
Umlima.
Yini lento?
Umlima.
Ushaye woman on top.
Indoda nje egqoka.
Here it is. All right, thank you. 7-0. I'm a 10 out of 10, bro. I'm joking.
Because the Wi-Fi here is pretty quick.
Oh, this nigga said
Niqonele i-Wi-Fi
he's
kanje.
just showing Wi-Fi. he's at our, what is this thing? I'm a Resways. He's showing Wi-Fi. He's in front of Cornerstone, West Part. I'm alright. I'll see up.
Anyway, yeah, these lines are funny.
Corny and funny.
And cringy. It's a cringe fest. Nalamantombazana akhohlakele azobuya azokubuza udodi usuphumile kuwo.
Speaking of cringe, let's react to Uland.
Wa.
Jonah Lucas. His new song. Speaking of cringe.
Sogcina ngaye vele mood dampener.
Aye.
Anyway, guys, that was Lebogang. Funny pickup lines on campus. It was good. It was
It
good.
was entertaining.
Surprisingly, amantombazana athanda yonke into nje atshelwa yona nishimile amantombazana. Shimile.
Musokutakatati.
Efuna ukuthi musa
Afuna. Efuna.
Gogo. Uvusa ngemvume emzini wabantu ungaqokile.
Ka umuphi nalolo muntu. Oh, nombuzo ukuthi ube kuphi? Uthatha ikhadi lengane umshaye stile.
Ongesitila.
Ngozamo gogo.
Kama ukuthi ugogo wabona kube ntwana bekade bicep.
Kube samandla.
Kube sixoxekile.
Uhluzwa amandla.
Kube sixoxekile mfana. Udala inhlakelele lapha.
Yeah, but there was an entertaining video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, suggest,
And say hi to me.
okay,
Comment.
ushimile naye lo girls ninonke ushimile naye, and then you suggest and come back again and send the link, share, etc.